Looking good. How you feel, Murph?
Good.
Gonna be a good day. What's up, buddy?
Dude, this machine is so nice. The cab, all the push button stuff.
I can't believe there's a display there. That was pretty good.
Dude, it's really nice.
All right, buck it up. So we have Addie over there who tries to bypass all the initial stuff, so I didn't basically put the locks off. So she's freaking out, but she's 58 seconds in. So Bristol, I think you got a pretty good head start right here. Bristol actually listens, pays attention, a lot safer in general.
Makes me so happy.
There's nothing that makes a sibling happier than seeing their sibling fail. So I told her only half a scoop because I don't want to see her dump it on herself. There we go.
Yeah!
There we go. That was actually decent. I don't know. I was driving skid steers from the time I was 2.
Yeah, Pop's truck. No, wrong wall. Yay! Travis, what happened to that wall? Who did? Was that a good job or a bad job?
So it just seemed pretty natural to drive. So when you think about a 9 and a 10-year-old, it seems young, but most of my friends, we were already building our own BMX and moto tracks, probably right around 8. So getting a late start.
To be fair, she's been in the machine for like seriously 6 minutes only, so I think she's doing all right.
3 scoots from there to there. Now it's Bristol's turn. Addie's time was 5 minutes and 15 seconds. But you see, if that was a full scoop, it would have half of it would have dumped back on her. Turn it up! 1, 2, 1. It was real close. I think you got her by a second. I think Addie got you by 1 second. She's so bummed. You're so bummed. I'm sorry. All right. What's that? They're not competitive at all. It's a new game called I Win. You see where Banksy is up there?
Yeah.
He's putting your rock at the bottom of that thing. So you got to pick up the rock, bring it back here. We're gonna do it at the same time. Just be cautious.
That's a bad idea.
I agree. Be cautious. Do not hit her. Okay. All right. Bristol got the rock first. Winner!
'Cause we are the champions.
When the younger daughter beats the older daughter in a Kubota track build-off. All right, Addie, you want to drive the Can-Am back and go ride stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah! Perfect. So, gonna take a GoPro ride up Pastranaland in the Can-Am. We got great Leadbetter filming, and we'll warm it up.
Yeah, a little bit of the moto enduro truck. It's a little narrow, but you okay? Alright, here's the one, Mark. And that's the love of Pastranaland.
Hey, Banksy.
What's up?
Heck of a weekend, man. Pastranaland, you did good. I mean, he did roll it once, and she did break it, but
It's back in one piece, it's fine.
everything's in one piece. I think I'm proud of myself. I think I made it the whole weekend. We had 3 days nonstop driving. It was
With multiple vehicles.
multiple vehicles.
vehicles.
Yeah, nothing broke on my end. What we got next?
We're gonna go to Freedom 500.
Yeah, Freedom 500. What we got? You racing the Van
I
Prix?
want to race minivans again. Make it interesting.
You gonna beat Josh?
Yes. That's all we're going to go with. Let's end it there.
Yeah. I'm so disappointed in myself still for not beating Josh at that one. But anyway, cheers. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot, Banksy.
Here we go. Banks is going for it. Send it, baby. Hard down on that left front.
Son, I love feels like a middle school crush. If I can't die, there ain't no adrenaline rush. Watch me fly by through the sky on my dirt bike, reppin' 199, cause I'm coming in clutch. Seem like 99, I've been here, couple big nuts. Seem like since then, every year, couple big cups, couple big breaks, couple falls, couple